Smile and learn.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! Lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Elephant. Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe. Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are so funny. Monkey. Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile. Crocodile. Look at those teeth. Crocodile. There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla. Let's keep searching for animals. Over here. A zebra. Zebra. Zebra stripes are so cool. Zebra. Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger. Tiger. Tigers are fierce. Tiger. What else have we got here? A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. My, look at that horn. Rhinoceros. Let's see if there's another animal around. Sure there is. A bear. Bear. How big is that bear? Bear. I think there's one more animal around here. A wolf. Wolf. I love wolves. Wolf. Have you seen how many animals are there? Let's recap so you won't forget them. Lion. Elephant. Giraffe. Monkey. Crocodile. Gorilla. Zebra. Tiger. Rhinoceros. Bear. Wolf. That's all, friends. I think it's time to go back home.
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.
Hi guys! Welcome back to English class with Teacher Fan again. Good morning, students. How are you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing well. Alright, for today we are going to study about wild animals. What is wild animals? If you're ready, let's go! Let's see what are there. Let's go! Okay, number one. Can you guess what is it? This animal is the king of the jungle. So this animal is lion. Lion. Correct. Next. Okay, next. What is it? Can you guess? This animal can climb on the tree. So he is monkey. Well done. Okay, number 3. Can you guess what is it? This animal can do like this. Ha 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 ha. So he is gorilla. Well done. Correct. Alright, number 4. Can you guess what is it? This animal is tiger. Well done. Next. Okay, number 5. Listen carefully. Look at the picture. Can you guess what is it? This animal is very, very popular in China. So this animal is panda. Well done. Number 6. Can you guess what is it? This animal loves to jump. Loves to jump. So this animal is kangaroo. Well done. Next. Okay. Number 7. This animal, can you guess what is it? They can eat plants and have a giant body. Giant body. Can you guess what is it? It is elephant. Correct. Okay, next. Can you guess what is it? This animal have long neck. Long neck. So, what is it? It is giraffe. Giraffe. Well done. Okay, next. Okay, this animal. Can you guess what is it? This animal is bear. Correct. Excellent. Okay, last picture. Can you guess what is it? This animal have 2 colors, white and black. So this animal is zebra. Well done. Correct. Okay, how was it? Do you like it? Alright, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.